Today, I'm going to show you an ancient Ayurvedic clinic in the heart of Sri Lanka. While we're here, I'm going to give you a tour of the resort. I also got the Ayurvedic doctor to give me an interview where I asked him several of the American health problem questions that I got over on Instagram. We're going to end things off with an ancient Ayurvedic massage using Ayurvedic oils. Stay tuned. This one is amazing.
I'm a Dr. Rohitha, internal medicine. I'm practicing Ayurvedic Center, Laruna Ayurveda Hotel.
Okay, doctor. So I'm from America, and we have a large interest in utilizing Ayurvedic techniques versus just using Western medicine. And a lot of my followers have some great questions for you in regards to specific health aspects and things that we can do to better our lives without relying heavily on prescription medication. So today, doctor, I will be asking you a few questions, and if you can honor us and give us some answers with your Ayurvedic insight, that would be great.
Yes, I can do it.
All right, so starting off strong, this is a question that I see that has come frequently from the field, and it is about male sexual health. So I'm going to ask you a few questions. For example, say that we have a man and say that he is in his 20s, but he has a hard time not only getting an erection, but maintaining erections. What can he do? What can he take? And what are some practices that he can utilize?
Yeah, according to the Ayurveda philosophy, we have aphrodisiac medicines. It's an example of the ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is very great medicine for the aphrodisiac. First of all, we are provide these medications to the person. We check the body conditions. Especially Ayurveda philosophy have three elements: air, fire, water. It's very easy to explain. It's a Vata, Pitta, Kapha. First of all, we make a pulse diagnosis. After that, we can select the medications. It's a aphrodisiac or vitamins or medications. Very important for the first of all check the pulse diagnosis. It's the main things.
Just to clarify, doctor, when you said that there are three aspects: fire.
Air, fire, water. Vata, Pitta, Kapha.
Okay, so you said there are three elements:
Yeah.
air, fire, water.
Yeah.
And what is the Ayurvedic translation for that? One more time slowly.
Vata, Pitta, Kapha.
Vata, Pitta, Kapha.
Three doshas. Calling for the three doshas.
For the three doshas. Perfect, doctor. Perfect. So now you said there's something called pulse diagnosis.
Of course.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
First of all, when patients comes to here, then we check the pulse. According to the pulse diagnosis, then we can understand what the imbalance the doshas in the body. We want to balance it. We have special medications and purification technique also. Not only that, but before we external oil application and internal medication also we are given, balance the doshas. Then after purifications, then we given the special medication for the aphrodisiac, for the sexual problems.
Okay, perfect. So you give the diagnosis, You clarify the deficiencies, and then if they have an issue with the getting the erection, maintain erection, you provide them with an aphrodisiac.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Now, moving on to a question that is related to that, but obviously a little different, is what would this be for a woman? What would this be for a woman who has a hard time being aroused and maintaining proper levels of lubrication for her partner?
According to the female sexual problems also we can manage according to the Ayurvedic concept. Then we have special medications also. Then we are given some special medications for the female sexual problems too. Then we have special aphrodisiac medications also for the increase in the power and sexual ability also for the female organs.
Quick question. You said that there is a special ingredient you give. Can you give some examples of some of the herbs or plants that you give to the patient?
Yes, it's a main great for the herbs ashwagandha. Ashwagandha very important for the sexual abilities.
For the women as well?
Yes, of course.
Is there anything that only women can take that the male is not given?
Yeah, then normally very better for the ashwagandha and extra medication also we are given that medications according to the her body conditions. Then we have Ayurveda have a lot of aphrodisiac medications. We are not given for the only one person this, but we have special herbal products. We have prepared that ingredients for that herbal products.
Okay, amazing. Can you list just a couple, not all of them obviously because there's a lot. Can you just list a couple of the herbal products that are typically used in a variety?
Yes.
Not specifically, but in general.
Yeah, generally we can use Kameshwari Modaka. It is a very great medication for the sexual abilities. Kameshwari Modaka include cannabis also. Cannabis,
like marijuana, right?
Yes. Cannabis very great medications for the sexual abilities and aphrodisiac too. Then for the energy, body energy functioning proper way, both can use for that Kameshwari Modaka, female or male, but male especially we are given for the male too.
All right, thank you very much, doctor. That's amazing. So usually like in America, nobody really thinks that cannabis is an aphrodisiac. We usually look upon it as something that makes you lazy or something that you snack on. But there has been some emerging research done in the scientific field about the therapeutic effects of CBD and THC compounds within cannabis. And it's amazing to know that our ancestors have been using this for thousands of years before Western medicine has even found it.
Yes.
That's amazing. Coming up next, another big issue we have in the West, especially in America, is that a lot of people suffer from insulin resistance and other diseases that come from that, like PCOS, diabetes, heart disease. The question is, doctor, what are some things that Americans can take that will help control the sugar levels and then help fight insulin resistance in the long run?
According to the diabetic conditions, we use special medications also. First of all, we can use for the Triphala. Triphala is very great medications for the diabetics also. And we are using individual, we can use some herbs, masbadda, kothala himbutu.
Just a quick question. A little bit about Triphala. We know that it is a combination of three herbs. I know like hirataki, Indian gooseberry.
Yes.
What's the third one?
Triphala, arlu bulu nelli. Termila cabula, termila opportunally, termila rotundus. It's three nuts. It's a major use in Sri Lanka for the Ayurveda also. Then Triphala. Triphala is very important for the three doshas balance, for the Vata Pitta Kapha balancing also, for the purification for the body.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, so there has been a lot of interest in just one of the components, hirataki, in America. But, I've been telling people as well that it is not something to be taken individually. It's something that all three should be taken.
Yes.
And not only that, the formulation, the ratios of the three must vary depending on the person's need. So it's not one size fit all, it's that you have to have it specifically formulated depending on your diagnosis.
Yes, it's a very important. First of all, we check the pulse. I told you before also, because very important for the pulse diagnose. According to the pulse diagnose, we can understand your body conditions. Patient's body conditions, we can understand which elements get problems, that which doshas high or low. Then according to the pulse diagnose, we can understand, then we can treat to the person's proper way and balance the doshas. Then automatically his body functions proper way, or especially internal organs also.
Amazing, amazing. Life is all about balance, and
Yes.
it's great to see that our ancient practices have been preaching this for centuries as well.
Yes.
One more thing, doctor, if you can just help me real quick. Do you have anything that somebody can do to help improve blood circulation, help reduce recovery time, especially for people that go to the gym or have very intensive jobs like construction jobs?
Yes, of course. Then we have a special, when patient come to here, then we are given special oil applications for the body conditions. It's very important for the balance the energy. Then we are given Ayurveda massage also. It's a full body Ayurveda massage.
Oh, that's amazing. Is there any chance that we can see a demonstration of that?
Yes, of course, we can do. Right now I can show you.
All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Let's go.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, we check the pulse. When they need massage, first of all we check the pulse, then we can understand the body conditions. After that we are using the special medication, oil medicated for the massage. Then now we first do pulse diagnose. According to the pulse diagnose, we can understand body conditions. How is the pulse functioning according to the Ayurveda philosophy? Three doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. According to that Vata, Pitta, Kapha, we questions the body regarding body conditions, especially back pain, knee joints pain, muscles, tendons problems. Lot of imbalanced doshas, some troubles are there. Then we understand according to the pulse. Do you feel gas, acidity formations? Back pain? Stress, tension? No. Your body type is Vata. Vata little bit high. Then we want to reduce the Vata. Then you feel much better after. Then now we can start the massage. We are given a special full body massage. I am using a special herbal oil for the massage. We given full body massage include face massage, head massage, body massage and foot massage. Finally, we are given steam bath. Steam bath very important for your toxins get rid of from the body. Okay? Right, now shall we go now for the massage? These are two therapists, Sampath and Madhushankar. Then now we can start the massage for that my patients. And now I am introducing Sharira Abhyanga. Sharira Abhyanga means synchron body massage. Then it is very important for the energy balance and especially for the joints massage, joints pain, muscles, tendons problems too, and for the blood purification of the body. Then relax massage. Beginning right now we can start Sharira Abhyanga. We call Sharira Abhyanga synchron body massage. We are using basic oil, special herbal oil, pinda oil, select to the body conditions. मेरी तरफ काम है
Ayurveda.